Hey guys, this is Deborah Taylor with Taylor's Yarn Creations. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a little bit about how I created these coffee mug cozies with a built-in coaster. As you can see here, this is a multicolored yarn that I use. You can use various designs with this. It looks great on any mug. Here I have a solid color with the matching tie and the bottom coaster at the bottom matches. And then here I just created a solid line in the middle and with the matching bottom coaster. And you'll just put this on a coffee mug, and it makes it a really nice gift for anyone that loves tea, coffee, even water, whatever. So, this is a nice, easy gift. So, here's some tools that you're going to need. You need, of course, a coffee mug. You can buy it at the dollar store. Scissors. You're going to need a tapestry needle and a size H crochet hook or 5 millimeter. You also need, that I'm not showing here, is a stitch marker and, of course, the yarn. I use for this one Red Heart Super Saver. Any type of acrylic yarn would work fine. So I'm just going to show you. I like to use a double magic ring. And so I'm going to show you how I do the double magic ring. I wrap the yarn twice around my finger. I insert the hook, and then I'll take some of the yarn and I'll just try to crochet just one chain stitch within the yarn itself to get it going. But here I'm going to go ahead and just do all 5 single crochet stitches and then when I get ready to get to the end of this particular starting point, I'm going to use the tail end to pull the yarn to see which one moves. And whichever yarn moves from the double magic ring, of course, there's that stitch marker that I mentioned. Whichever one moves, I'm going to pull the opposite side. And as I pull the opposite side of that yarn, I'll grab the one that moved and I'll pull the opposite side. See, I'll use the one that moved and I'll pull it tight because what happens is it gives it a solid, tight fit. And then I'll pull the yarn that moved, and then I'll place my stitch marker back in place because the bottom part of the coaster is going to work in a continuous round. So it's important that you do that. You can also use 2 single crochet chain stitches and crochet your 5 single crochets within that as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.